now the final part, we are coming to our controller and creating our controller here. Okay, so in our controller I create new controller. Where is the controller? Okay, so I write department controller, and it's come from controller base because we are developing API, and write it is a API controller, and the route is, we fix the route, and the route is quotation, template is controller row down here. Okay, so view is not working perfectly. We need to inject our dependency constructor I department service need to get read only property, read only. So now we need to create some method, public async tasks I action result. First of all, get all, and need to create the, it's a method of http get. Okay, and return okay, and await underscore department service dot get all async. Okay, and need to create another method for insert our data. So now this is a http post method, http post, and called public async tasks I action result. That is method name, I write insert, then depart request view model, that is request view model or request. So I git return okay, await underscore department service dot insert async and send the request. Okay, so only two methods is implemented. Now I clean the solution and remove some weather forecast, delete, we not need the weather forecast, we no need the weather forecast file, delete it, delete. And properties have an issue, launch setting, that is swagger, is launchpad. So now everything is perfect. So I again clean the solution and build solution. Now I run the project. Debugger is initializing. Okay, I only post. First of all, I have no data present, name computer science and engineering, and code is Ctrl Z, code is CSC, and click execute. Data insert successfully, and also create another department, that is Bachelor of Business, that is BBA, and execute. Insert successfully, very fast API, and try it out, execute. Yeah, fantastic. So we learn our API and we completed our development API. So now, and every time when everything is perfect, then you need go to terminal and write git status and git add dot git commit -m department controller added, and remove weather controller. Okay, so I push it, git push origin main. So now our API also uploaded in server, so demo application is uploaded perfectly in server. Next video we are trying to set up our docker compose file, because now we set up our docker our container directly in docker, but without setup in docker, how can we manage this problem using one compose file? Okay, so bye bye. I think you understand properly, and I think you enjoyed this code.